So we have got a Sony ICF750ML radio, a 3-band radio, FM, AM and long wave. And the problem with this radio is it only shows the battery indicator, and when the power button is pressed it does not switch on. So we will unscrew these screws and let's find what's wrong with this radio. Well, at first look the radio seems has survived a big shock. Actually it might have fallen from somewhere, and you can see these plastic bezels. They have broken from the chassis, these two, which indicates that it has fallen from some height. And let's probe further and let's find the actual fault. So this has taken a great amount of shock. Well, I have thoroughly checked the components and the caps. They are working totally fine and there aren't any blown up components. So the only fault I could find was this is the junction of ground from this mold, the front panel, the actual panel. Number one, this joint was loose and I have resoldered this joint. See, I have resoldered this joint. It was pretty much loose, and the next thing I found was this ribbon cable. This was a bit loose, so I will reinstall this ribbon cable and make sure there aren't any loose components. Another fault I found was this clock or enter button. It's loose and you can see it's near resistor 109 and capacitor 142, so it was moving. So I will resolder this button. After fixing those loose joints, the clock seems working fine and I hope the radio will be working fine now. So let's check the radio.
आपने सामाजिक फासला रखना है, तो इसके बगैर ये तीन चार चीजें हैं जो सबके सामने हैं। और
So it's working perfectly fine. This is Voice of America on 972 kilohertz. So this is it. No radio stations on long wave. for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.
और सामीना प्रोग्राम्स और संगीत भी अपने इख्तिताम को पहुंचा। प्रोग्राम के प्रोड्यूसर मोहम्मद करीम अहमद, एग्जीक्यूटिव प्रोड्यूसर नजाकत शकीला और अफसान नकवी को इजाजत दीजिए। अपना बहुत 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 ख्याल रखिएगा। ये पेशकश रेडियो पाकिस्तान लाहौर की थी और ठीक 11 बजे आप खबरें सुनेंगे।